Good morning, children. This is your fourth unit in EVS Community Games. First, let us know what is a hobby. A hobby is a joyful work that is done regularly by a person to get some happiness, satisfaction, and relaxation of mind at required times. Example, drawing, painting, and playing games. In the previous chapter, we studied about different types of community. There are three types of community: rural community, urban community, and tribal community. In this lesson, we will be studying about different types of games played in different communities. What is meant by games? Any type of physical and mental activity performed according to some set of rules or conditions to derive pleasure and to get good health are called games. There are two types of games: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games are the games played either in home or in a specially constructed rooms. For example, carom board. Outdoor games. Outdoor games are typically any game which must be played outside or otherwise requires a large play area. Example, football. Here are a few interesting games. The picture what you're seeing is rock climbing. Rock climbing is where a person climbs a huge rock with the help of a rope. Next is skydiving. It is a sport in which a person jumps from an aircraft and falls for as long as possible before opening a parachute. Next is river rafting. This is the activity of being moved quickly in a small boat along rivers. Next is mount cycling. A person riding bicycle with thick tires and a lot of gears, originally made for riding on hills and rough ground. Next is mountaineering. This is the activity of climbing mountains. Here are a few native adventure games. Means the games which are played in rural areas. The picture you're seeing is stone lifting game. It is lifting heavy natural stones which people are challenged to prove their strength. Next is tug of war. Tug of war is a sport that two teams pull on opposite ends of a rope for a certain distance against the force of the opposite team's pull. Next is kushti. It is also known as dangal. It is a wrestling competition held in villages. Next is boat racing. This is a traditional boat race in Kerala where a large number of people participate in this race. Here ends your chapter. Thank you.